Welcome back, guys. So today we have a soccer or football opening. This is Topps 2022-23, and it has Champions League, Europa League, and I guess Europa Conference League cards here. Like every other set of cards, we watch out always for any color, numbered inserts, maybe rare inserts that we can get, stuff like that. So let's get started. We have 5 packs of 6 cards each, and let's see what we get. I've opened these before, haven't really gotten much, so let's see. Hopefully we get some luck today. We have Antonio Rudiger. I think this is the Champions League one, is it? Yeah, there we go. There's the back Champions League logo. I guess if we get the cup, we will get the cup over there is the Europa League, but we have Antonio Rudiger from Real Madrid. There we go. We got Hidemasa Morita from Portugal with Sporting Clube de Portugal. Okay, we got something here. We have a David Alaba on this fire kinda parallel. Nice. There we go. Not numbered or anything, but that is a nice looking card there. David Alaba on that kind of hollow fire card. Let's put it back there. There we go. That's the Europa League from Arsenal, Smith Rowe. Let's look at the back. Yeah, there it says Europa League. Emil Smith Rowe. There we got El Shaddai Bitshabu from Paris Saint-Germain. And Matheus Leach. And we have a Future Stars. There we go. That's one of the inserts. Benjamin Sesko Future Stars for FC Salzburg. Let's put him back there too. Okay, so that one was pretty nice. We got that parallel and the Future Stars insert. I call that a successful pack. The way these go, I gotta say, at least I haven't had that much luck with them, so I'll take that. Sancho Jadon Sancho from Manchester United. From Benfica, rookie Andreas Schjelderup. Fabio Blanco, another rookie there. Fabio Blanco for Barcelona. Look at that. And there we go. This is like the 1990s insert style. Adam Klosek. Yeah, there we go. This is kind of a throwback design that they do for, I think, every player. For Bayern Leverkusen. Nice. Those are pretty decent. Okay, for FC Copenhagen, Haraldsson, Hakon Arnar Haraldsson. Matthias Sule, rookie for the Juventus. And okay, that's the last one. Look at that. All right. Of course, here I think if anything outside of a numbered card won't be worth much. I don't think this is the type of product where you get much value out of it. There we go. We got another one of those fire ones, I guess. Desire Doué, rookie. All right, this is kind of a new. I wonder if these are short printed. Youth movement gains momentum in Adenauer PSV Prodigies for the Europa League one for PSV. Okay, these seem okay. It's a checklist, I guess. Oh, is this all the players from? Oh no, there's Haaland and Mbappe. Okay, So there's a checklist. Interesting. Kai Havertz from Chelsea. And oh, look at this. Road to Istanbul. Heung-min Son from the Tottenham Hotspurs. Okay, this is a and then we got other fire, which we'll look at in a minute. I hadn't seen this one in a little bit. The Road to Istanbul. Insert. Pretty nice. I like it. Let's put it there. And here is our other parallel fire one, I guess. Kubo Takefusa Kubo from Real Sociedad de Fútbol. There we go. Nothing numbered there. Let's put him back there. It's kind of the best we probably will get here. Marco Lacetic, rookie, and Adam Klosek. Oh, he was the one that we got in the retro one for Bayern Leverkusen. 2 packs left here for our Topps Europa League, Champions League product. Let's see, any color here? No color there. We do have what looks like an insert back there. A different one, rookie of Alfie Devine, or Devine. Okay, there we go. We take a Erling Haaland. I wish it had some color though. It's just the base of Haaland, but for how this product goes, I think this is one of the best you can get. Gonzalo Borges from FC Porto, rookie. Okay, and here we have the Road to Budapest. Jeremy Doku. Rene FC. Road to Budapest. Cool card. At least we're getting something different this time around. There's Mohamed Salah from Liverpool and Romelu Lukaku. Nice, we got at least some stars. That pack had some base cards, but a few stars in it. The Haaland, the Salah, and the Lukaku, so we'll take it. And last pack. Let's see if there's anything here, any color. We got some hollow there. Yuri Regier from Ajax. Phil Foden from Man City. Let's leave the insert for last. To close it off, Fabio Miretti from the Juve. We have Thomas Müller. Wow, that guy has been playing forever. What a beast. Thomas Müller. We have here Lionel Messi with the PSG uniform. We'll take it, eh? At least in terms of base cards, we got some stars. Phil Foden, and we got someone here who is, Thibaut Courtois, the best of the Champions League. The goalie for Real Madrid. Highest save percentage in the Champions League 21-22. Courtois, we'll take it, and I like that effect. They're best of the best. At least in terms of inserts, we had the Road to Budapest, the Road to Istanbul. Well, we got this like old school design, and I think my favorite one there, best of the best, Courtois. And of course, we'll throw in the GOAT, Messi there. Even though it's a base card, we'll take it. Any Messi is a good card. So there you go, guys. I really enjoy opening soccer packs. Don't think I'll buy this product again, but I'll open some other ones. I know Donruss, Panini has others, and I think Topps has other products that are better. But here we go. Hope you at least enjoyed it. That was some variety. and consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.